The early warning system is designed to predict your risk of NBCRNA board exam failure. In this video, we will look at how it was created, how to interpret the prediction, what data it is based upon, and factors you need to consider that can alter the prediction's accuracy. To develop the EWS, practice exam data from students using Prodigy Connect was submitted to faculty who marked the students as having passed or failed. They then removed the students' names from the data and sent it back. This data was fed into machine learning algorithms in a statistical program called RStudio to create a mathematical model that predicts a student's chance of failing boards. This model is used to identify the risk of board failure as low, medium, or high. For example, for this particular student, we can state that this student has at least a 75% chance of passing boards were she to take the exam right now. If the risk were high, we could state that this student has at least a 75% chance of failing boards. And if the risk is medium, then the data is right in the middle of the range, and we aren't able to accurately predict one way or another yet. It's important to note that the only data used to create the model are the percentile rankings on the 25 board simulations in Prodigy Connect. You can complete quizzes and answer questions by any other mechanism such as NBCRNA category, specific topic, or complete masterclass quizzes. And while that data is important, it is not used to create the prediction. Also, you must complete a total of 5 board simulations before a prediction is even attempted. If you haven't completed 5 simulations, then the indicator appears gray. Bad data is a factor you need to consider in interpreting the risk prediction. For example, if you completed board simulations as a junior student when you had not even been exposed to all of the information you need to answer the questions, or you did not take the board simulation seriously, then you have introduced bad data into the model. Even though that score does not represent your level of preparation accurately, it is included in the model and is increasing your predicted risk of failure. Also, remember that this is a predictive model that has an accuracy of 75%. That means it could be wrong in as many as 1 in 4 cases. The reason for this is the small data set that was available in creating version 1 of this model. As we are able to collect more data from universities, we will be able to release improved models with a smaller margin of error. And keep in mind that this model is just one data point to use in assessing your likelihood of passing the exam. There are many other factors that it doesn't take into account, such as your intrinsic motivation level. If you are motivated to succeed, then there is no statistic that can stop you from passing the exam. To find out more about how to use even more data to help you succeed, be sure to watch the video that explains how my review works, because it is the most powerful tool for bridging the gap between the knowledge you have now and the knowledge you need to pass the exam as efficiently as possible.